What's going on, YouTube? What's up? What's going on, YouTube? Today I was gonna make a brand new video, pretty much showing y'all what I prepare for when I go to an airsoft game or something like that. In my room, as y'all can see, that like it's junky. I know. Oh, check out my turtles. I got two. All right, but pretty much, I had cleared off my bed. I pretty much threw everything in the corner, to be honest with you. Whatever. But I'm about to lay out everything. My guns on this side. My pretty much my outfit or uniform or whatever on that side. My gear and everything. I'm just gonna lay it out. Plug in my chargers and everything. As you can see, I got my M4 over here. I'm not sure if I should take it or not, but whatever. Let me just kind of give y'all a quick overview of my room if you care about this. But pretty much I keep everything in this bag whenever I leave a game, whatever. I take everything, all my clothes and everything that needs to be washed, I put it in the wash, whatever. I got my helmet over here, so everything is like everywhere, and I just have to organize it and put it right here. Let me come right back or whatever, and I'm just going to lay everything out on the bed, explain, or I might not even explain, just pretty much just do an overview of like everything that I take to a game and what I need. It really depends on who I'm playing with, if I'm going to be taking the M4 or the RP9, whatever. But y'all get the whole gist. So I'll be right back. That's not it, pretty much. I'm just going to show you like the gifs. So all my mags are right here. This is my holster for my Elite Force. So we're going to put that there. Let's go in this bag. Take that thing. Whatever. So, luckily, I already washed these clothes. This is literally everything I wear. And, take out the vest. Throw that on there. This face mask, that, whatever. Goggles. Mag. Got that out there. I'm running low on BBs, as you could probably see. Throw that over there. These are tracers. Shamog. To cover my neck, pretty much. But I don't really use that that often anymore. Batteries, which needs to be charged. And my gun. My Elite Force right there. And let's come over here. And we're gonna grab pretty much I got everything laid out. I got my guns over there. I got my uniform. So this is pretty much. Oh wait, let me start on the left. That way I can move everything over. So got my helmet. I'm gonna do a video on this as well. All of this stuff, I'm pretty much gonna do a separate video on there. My review on it and how I've been liking it. So this is pretty much my helmet setup. Let me put you up here. So on this side, I'm trying to get a Jamaican flag so I can put it on this one. And then have the American flag on this. I'm probably going to take this off and put it back on my vest. And just have this brighter color on there. If that makes sense. So we got my gloves. These are mechanic gloves. These are like impact gloves or whatever. Normally just go on the side of the bag like that. We got my pants. Really good pants. Nice tactical pants. Hopefully fold that up real quick. We got my shemagh, like I was saying, my neck protection. Then we got my vest. This is just a portable charger that charges my goggles and my GoPro. It normally stays in here out of sight. Like in there. I need another patch to fit there. I don't know why I'm talking so fast, but we have one battery on the charger. My other one is right here that needs to be charged as well, I think. I don't know. Yeah. So, like I was saying, I just have a white Under Armour to absorb some sweat when I'm playing. We're just pretty much going to fold that up. That goes in the bag too. And we have my jersey. So, it has pads along this. It has elbow pads here. No pads here, but flexible. And it pretty much absorbs sweat really well. Flip that around. This is the back design. So when I'm not wearing my vest, you see this, and it looks pretty dope. So let's go ahead and fold that up. Barely. Yeah. As you can see, I do well with folding. And we have my, it's like another sweat thing. It's what you get when you go go-karting and you put it inside your helmet. You wear this, and you put your helmet on, and it pretty much absorbs sweat. Keep it out of my eyes and everything like that. It's for, this goes with my helmet. So, and it acts as some form of protection for the neck, but not really. Let's move on down to my, I forgot this thing called, lower face protection. It protects the ears from being shot, and it protects the mouth. This just has padding. So if you get shot on the side, you'll be fine. And this matches that, and it matches my pads, which is pretty dope. So moving down to my goggles, I actually switched the lens. Sorry guys, this is kind of hard. Come on. Come on. Come on. See, I'm struggling. I'm always struggling. Alright, so pretty much I switched out the lens for a yellow lens. The clear lens is right in this. This is the clear. As you can see, it's all smudged because I've been wearing it a lot. Let's just throw that over there. We have my .28 BBs, which I run with my M4 and only my M4. I got this so cheap that I just used this to play indoor CQB. Then we have my tracers. 0.20s. This is pretty much in a combination of, .28s. Also run that with my pistol as well. So it's calibrated for that. I mean, when I mean calibrated, the hop-up unit, if you know what I'm talking about. It's great. .20s for my ARP9. And dark lens also. Sometimes I carry it. That's for like pretty much outdoor games. I don't use it as much. That's why it's still on the paper. We have my dump pouch. Pretty much throw all my mags, my magazines after I use them. Dump in this. It holds on to my waist like so. And wow. So put that over there. Let's move on to my Elite Force Tactical. Elite Force 1911 TAC. There we go. So, nice little pistol. Complaints about it, I'll do a whole review on that later on. We have my holster as well for the gun. And we're going to move on down to ARP9. So, this is my baby. I have so many modifications to this. I'll also do another review on this, but this is like my go-to gun for CQB. It has a speed trigger on there, upgraded internals and everything. Normally I run a tracer unit, which is over here on the charger. So it's supposed to be part of this, but yeah. And I have one single high cap mag, which sucks. I would throw it away, but this is like a backup mag, and why throw it away? I just use pretty much a drum mag. 1,500 rounds. I go through probably like half of this a game. So, yeah. M4 magazines. I have 5 of them just for this. This used to I mean, it still is my baby. I only use this like for outdoor games and I don't know, to switch it up a little bit. But I mostly use the AR Pre 9 now. It's newer. This is a little bit older. It still works just fine. Upgraded internals and stuff. The trigger is really actually nice on this. So that's how far the throw is on that. This is how far the throw is on this. I should have put a speed trigger on this, but it doesn't really need it, to be honest. Got a grip, have a flashlight, and that's about it. So let me go ahead and pack up everything and come right back. And if you're curious where my mags go, on here it has a separate pouch for the magazines, so I can carry both guns in this, carry my Elite Force in this. I put some foam right here so that way I don't break my pistol mags. They're expensive. So that holds in there. This, I normally just wrap it up and put it in the bag. And like I said, all of this is pretty much going to get cleaned up and go into this bag. So I got everything packed up in the bag. All my guns are in this. I got my battery still charging, like I said before. I got my helmet on top of this. My gear pretty much are in my Uber Eats bag, which, by the way, I used to be an Uber Eats delivery person. I was doing it on a bike, and that pretty much everything just holds in here. And then I'm ready to go. Put that on my back, grab this by the handle, and I'm out the door. And my shoes downstairs as well. But that's about it, guys. Hopefully you enjoy the rest of your day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like if you like this footage. Also comment if you want to see a detailed review of all my gear or guns or whatever. Whatever you want, just hit me up. I do a lot on the channel so far. I'm trying to upload every single day, like I said before. And so I'm just trying to make content every single day. Alright, peace, guys.